Choir Boy, analog chorus. This one sounds fantastic. Great, of course. Depth. If you really want to get seasick, all the way up. And intensity is the level of the chorus effect. I don't know exactly what it is, but I think it sounds fantastic, and it's really sort of that 80s chorus sound without being too cheesy. You can just play some simple chords. And that could be a great soundtrack to a movie. It's just very moody and sounds fantastic.